Welcome to 33 Howes Street, an incredibly spacious 4+2 bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms situated within a family-minded community of Central West Ajax. Featuring a 2-car garage, an interlocking walkway to the covered double-door entry, and a nicely sized private backyard, the main level foyer is open to above, and its beautiful dark hardwood flooring flows throughout most of the level. Immediately to the right is the first of the 2 formal entertaining spaces, a light-filled living room with a double French door entry and a turret-shaped wall. Its 3 windows complete with privacy shades. Wall pot lighting brings additional brightness to this space, as well as to the main hallway and the remaining principal rooms. Exuding elegance, the formal dining room has the ambient lighting of 2 hurricane-style pendant light fixtures and enjoys direct access to the kitchen for entertaining convenience. The family room has a warm and inviting atmosphere, and its tiled corner accent wall offers the perfect backdrop for the addition of a modern electric fireplace or stove. And a half wall separates it from the kitchen area while still maintaining an open feel between the rooms. The family room, the kitchen, and the breakfast area all enjoy a south-facing exposure, and their windows are complete with California shutters for light control. And for ambient brightness, the breakfast area has a contemporary metal light fixture. A balance of warm and cool, the earthen tones of the kitchen's tiled floor and its modern cabinetry contrast beautifully with the tiled white backsplash and the marble-like look of the countertop, all complemented with the sleek look of stainless steel appliances and a double undermount sink. Through the sliding door walkout is the fenced backyard, a lovely private retreat surrounded by cedars and featuring a large deck with built-in seating. A dark-stained oak hardwood staircase curves gracefully to the upper level, which features 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms, as well as hardwood flooring and pot lighting in the hallway. The bedrooms are carpeted for coziness, have ceiling fans, and California shutters on their windows provide light control and privacy. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all have double closets, with the second bedroom additionally featuring a turret-shaped wall with 3 windows. And these bedrooms share the main 4-piece washroom, which has a tiled floor and bath area, as well as the convenience of a linen closet right outside its door. The south-facing master bedroom is very generously sized and has ample room for a sitting area. This bright yet serene personal space has a walk-in closet complete with organizers, and its ensuite washroom is luxuriously finished with tumbled marble tiles, has a vanity with double basins and a coordinating toiletry cabinet, as well as a corner tub and a separate shower area with glass door. Off the main level foyer is a double coat closet, a powder room, garage access, a laundry area with stacked front-load washer and dryer, and both a secondary staircase as well as the main staircase to the lower level, which brings additional finished living space to the home and is also ideal as an in-law suite. Featuring laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, this level has a walk-in storage closet and storage space under the main staircase, an eat-in kitchen with contemporary cabinetry, fridge, stove, and stainless steel double sink, 2 spacious bedrooms, one with a double door entry, a 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor and a walk-in shower, as well as a family recreation area. Walking distance to Alexander Graham Bell Public, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary, and Pickering High Schools. This home is also close to neighborhood parks, public transit, the Riverside Golf Course, places of worship, the McLean Community Center, as well as the fine restaurants and entertainment within Pickering Village, while numerous shopping plazas, the Ajax GO station, and access to Highway 401 are all short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.